Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to cut a perfect senator wear for both male and female. After this video you won't have any problem cutting any senator wear. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please feel free to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification. The first thing you need to do before cutting is to fold the fabrics into two like this. Then you place it on the table before you start marking. We are working with leg 34. You place your tape on the fabrics, you mark at 34 plus 2-inch folding allowance. Then you measure the shoulder. We usually divide it by 2. We're working with shoulder 16. 16 divided by 2, we have 8. Then you mark and add your 1-inch allowance. Then from that shoulder, you drop it down by 2-inch. Then from this point, you take your armhole measurements. I'll be using 6 as my armhole measurement because I'm working with chest 37. You can watch my other videos to know the different armhole measurements you can use. From that point, you take your chest measurement. The chest is chest 37, and you will add your 1-inch allowance. Then from the edge, you measure 16 inches. Tummy always lie between 15, 16, 17 depending on the length of the clothes. So I'll mark at 16. The tummy is 36. 36 divided by 4, we have 18. 18 divided by 2, we have 9. Then you mark and add your 1-inch allowance. For the waistline, you measure from here, then you mark at 12. That's how you get your waistline. Then from that point, you take the waistline measurement. We usually use the biggest part of the body for the waistline measurement. Instead of adding 1-inch allowance like we usually do, you add 1.5. Then you sketch. This is very important. Then for the neck, we are working with neck 14. I'll mark at 2-inch by 1.5. After marking the neck, you then use your ruler to mark it down to this point. After that, then you start cutting. Then after cutting, you place the front facing here. After that, you mark from here 2 3/4. Then you come down a bit and mark again 2 3/4. 2 3/4. Then you cut. Then after that, you fold it by 1/2 inch like this. You can use your iron to make it relax very well. Then you take your shoulder measurements again, but this time instead of adding 1 inch allowance, you add 3/4 as the allowance. Then from there you cut. You then follow this circumference to cut the neck. From the back, you cut from 1/2 inch to that particular point. As you can see, we are done. Thank you guys for watching.